Let's explore how you can lock and unlock the cells in Excel, which is useful when you want to create a template for others to fill it out. This ensures they only enter data in specific areas and don't accidentally modify your formulas. So, let's walk through the process. I have started building a useful investment calculation tool that I plan to send to various departments and individuals. I have added a clear header instructions users to fill it in the yellow fields only. But, guys, realistically, do you think that everyone will follow that? Some might, but others could entering data in different areas. To prevent this, I need to ensure that only the yellow fields are editable and everything else remains protected. To enable protection, go to the Review tab, where you can lock your sheet with a password. Once you confirm the password, all cells are protected. For example, if I try to change a value by entering different data, I will get an error because the sheet is now locked, including all the cells. So I can modify anything here. However, if I want to keep the yellow fields open for input while protecting everything else, so I will unprotect the sheet by entering my password, allowing me to make adjustments. You can either protect individual ranges by using the Allow Edit Ranges features, or you can format specific cells, which I find more flexible. Here is how I can do it. Right-click on the cells or press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells option. In the Protection tab, you will notice that by default every cell is locked. This confused me in the beginning, but it simply means that when you protect the sheet, locked cells can be edited. If you want certain cells to remain editable, you need to uncheck this box. Click OK to confirm. Now, although I have unlocked these cells, nothing changes until I protect the sheet again. I will protect the sheet, but this time without password. If I try to type in any protected cells like a white one, I will get an error. But if I try to modify the yellow one, I can, because now they are unlocked. And here, guys, there is a point. Instead of manually selecting every yellow cell, I can let Excel do it for me. Press Ctrl F to bring up the Find and Replace dialog, and instead of searching for the text, I will search for the formatting. Click on the Format, go to the Fill tab, and select the yellow color. Once I click Find All, Excel will highlight every yellow cell. To select them, press Ctrl A. With everything selected, I will click Choose Format Cells, and again ensure that the lock check marks is removed. Once I protected the sheet again, all yellow cells remain editable, while the rest are protected. So, everything is ready. We got our result that we wanted. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.